Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start the geographical questions and chapter, that is mapping and neighborhood. Okay. What is neighbor? What is map? What is direction? What is compass? What are the instrument? Why we need that? We will going to read in this chapter, isn't it? Now we are starting with Kiara. As you know who is Kiara, is a friend. My mother and I visit my Nanaji's house in our city. Now Kiara is saying that her mother and she visited to her Nanaji's house in a new city. Okay. He guided my mother to follow some landmarks and direction that help us to locate his house easily. Okay. Take example on yourself that when you go somewhere and you don't went there and you are going that place for the first time, so you don't know the direction, you don't know the address, you don't know the exact address of this place. Okay, so that the people who is calling you, they guide you. Okay, they tell you the direction of coming to their house and they tell you some of the landmarks. Landmark means if I am going if I am coming to school, no, my school is near to the railway crossing. So the railway crossing will be the landmark, isn't it? Now there are some landmarks, there would be some temples, there would be some buildings, there would be some post office, police station, okay, hospitals. So that will be the landmark. Okay. And I have started noticing landmarks and I am trying to learn more about them. Now Kiara is saying that she has seen first time to the landmarks and she was trying to learn it. Now we are going across and we will learn that what are the landmarks, can how it can help us, okay, and what is exactly landmark is. Okay, so starting with the chapter, people who live near to our house are our neighbors. Now what is neighbors? This is the question. Now neighbors are the people who lives nearer to us. Now wherever we are living, okay, beside our home, whichever people is living, he is our neighbor. Okay, now how is our neighbor? That one society is neighbor to other society and likewise one state is neighbor to other state. Now when we are living, okay, take the example when we are living in this house. Okay, it's a small house. When we are living in this house and nearer to your house some other one is living, okay, your friend or any of uncle, aunt, whoever it is. So you both are neighbor. This is A and B. This both are interconnected because they are neighbors. Okay, in Hindi we call padosi. Yeah, so they are neighbors. After that, when we are talking about houses, they are called neighbors. When we are talking about states like Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, Patna, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, but the border is very nearer to us, isn't it? Okay, so they are the neighbors. Now Bihar and Jharkhand, they are the neighbors. Now Jharkhand and West Bengal, neighbors, isn't it? So this all are like neighboring states. Now we are talking about neighboring countries. Okay, India, Pakistan, neighboring country. India, Bhutan, neighboring country. India, Myanmar, India, Sri Lanka, all are the neighboring countries. When you see the map, you will come to know about the different countries written over there. Okay, you will get to know that no, these all are the neighboring countries. Neighboring means they are living beside us. Okay, now for example, Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh are neighboring states of Delhi. Now when we going to that side, north, okay, now Haryana, I am giving the example, if this is the Haryana place, okay, so from there itself, if I am giving the name of Haryana over here, this is Uttar Pradesh, okay, and by cutting Haryana there is whatever state will be there, that is Rajasthan also, okay. So all these states who's living beside each one of them, that are neighboring states. Now moving to, we follow some direction and landmarks that help us to reach our destination easily. Now, why we need landmarks? As I told you, that makes you to identify where I have to go, where I have to reach, and that makes your way possible to reach to your exact destination easily. Okay. Now, what is landmark is all about? Now, I am going to tell you. If you want to go, I am giving example to a club, okay, any of the boutique or any of the garden, okay, you want to go to a garden, okay. Now, this is the garden. I am giving name of any city garden, okay. Now, city garden. Now, you are here. Take your point as here. And you don't know about this garden, okay. Anybody tells you that if you go to the garden, in between, after moving to the north direction, you will get a hospital. Now in the north direction there will be, this is the hospital. When you reach to the hospital, you had that perception, no, she has guided me as there is a hospital, so I am nearer to this garden, okay. So from there itself you will easily reach to this garden because you have been guided towards that direction, okay. Now, direction is important for that. Now, what is tracing a neighborhood is called mapping the neighborhood. Now, when I am saying about, take this Buxar area itself. If I have to go Ara, if I have to go Danapur, okay, these are totally far away, okay. If you want to go Chausa, near to the Buxar, so if you will go by the route of Sadar Hospital, isn't it? If you go, then I am going to direct you, you will go in this direction, so you will get a Sadar Hospital over there. After that, you will cross a police station over there. After that, you will going to reach to Chausa, okay. Now when you reach here, it will be a neighboring place, okay, because it is nearer to Buxar, na? So this is the neighboring place. Okay, after that we learn neighbors, who are neighbors, landmarks. Now we are moving to sketch. Now what is sketch? It will be a second topic. What is sketch? Okay. Take the example. Now I am going to read first. A sketch is a rough or unfinished drawing of a place. It is not an exact drawing. It indicates distance, turn, direction. It's a quick reference material to locate a place we want to reach. Now, this is your house, okay. Take the example. This is your house. Okay. Now you are standing here. I am just pointing here. Okay, now you want to go to a city hospital. Now city hospital is here. This is city hospital, okay, and I am writing H. Now you want to go there and you don't know the address, okay, but if anyone will guide you like this, if you will if you are standing here and you are coming towards your house, okay, and by coming straight you have to turn left, okay, then come straight, then you have to turn left again, okay. By turning left and walking 100 meter 200 meter distance, you will come to know a hospital and you will reach to this destination, okay. Now the process of guiding this location from here to here, it is called sketch, okay. It's a rough drawing, not a map. It's a rough drawing. Map is something which has to be, okay, which is confirmed, but this is a sketch. For wherever you want to go, you can make a random sketch to reach to the destination, okay. Now this was a sketch. After that we will start landmarks. Before that you have to read and send your questions to me because this is a very important chapter. Thank you.